God is saying to you today, "My child, I have seen your struggles, your silent tears, and the battles you fight when no one is watching. You have felt unseen, unheard, and forgotten. But I tell you today, I have never left your side. Every prayer, every tear, every sigh has reached my throne, and I am working on your behalf. The breakthrough you have been waiting for is coming. I am about to do something in your life that will leave you in awe." Type Amen if you believe. I am getting ready to bless you beyond measure. The favor upon your life will be so evident that those around you will know my hand is upon you. I am preparing doors that no man can shut and opportunities that will exceed your expectations. The next chapter of your life will be filled with joy, peace, and prosperity. You are stepping into a season of divine increase. Type 777 if you receive it. I know you have been weary. You have fought battles that no one knows about, and yet you have remained faithful. Because of your faith, I am shifting things in your favor. Your name is being mentioned in rooms you have yet to enter. The blessings that are coming are custom-made for you. What I am bringing into your life will not be delayed, denied, or destroyed. Type 11 if you are ready. Do not let worry consume you. Lay your burdens before me, and I will give you rest. I am healing your heart, your body, your mind, and your soul. Every scar, every wound, every pain is being replaced with joy, love, and restoration. I am taking what was meant to harm you and turning it into something beautiful. Type claim it if you receive this promise. You are about to experience back-to-back miracles. I am shifting things suddenly. What has been stagnant will move. What has been delayed will be released. And what has been denied will turn into a testimony. Your past will no longer define you. I am writing a new story for you, one of victory, success, and purpose. Type 555 if you trust my timing. Your name is blessed. Your home is blessed. Your finances are blessed. Your career is blessed. Your health is blessed. Your family is blessed. Every area of your life is covered by my favor. Do not be afraid of what the future holds. I am already there, paving the way for you. Type, receive it if you believe in my promise. This is your season of elevation. What was meant to bring you down will lift you higher. The enemy may have tried to stop you, but I am your defender. I will silence every lie, expose every trap, and deliver you from every scheme. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. Victory is yours. Type victory if you believe. In the coming months, you will hear, "Congratulations," over and over. Doors of opportunity will open for you. Unexpected blessings will chase you down. This is your time of answered prayers. What you have been waiting for, praying for, and believing. For it's about to happen. Type 333 if you are ready for your breakthrough. I am turning your mourning into dancing. The years of sorrow will be replaced with years of laughter. The struggles you have faced will be the testimony that brings others to me. I will restore everything you have lost and give you double for your trouble. Your new season is here. Type 222 if you trust my plan. Get ready. A supernatural turnaround is coming. I am about to flip the script in your favor. The setback you faced was only a setup for your comeback. The enemy thought he had you, but I have the final say. You are stepping into a season of joy, peace, and financial breakthrough. Type 888 if you are walking into abundance. This week will be filled with good news, divine connections, and new opportunities. Watch as I move mountains in your life. Your faith has not gone unnoticed, and your prayers have not been unheard. My timing is perfect, and your moment is here. Type 1212 if you believe your blessings are near. I love you, my child, and I am with you always. Stand firm, stay faithful, and watch what I do next. Type Amen and share this message if you receive. My beloved child, I see the battles you are fighting in silence. You carry burdens that feel too heavy, and at times you wonder if you will ever see relief. But I tell you today, your season of suffering is coming to an end. I am lifting the weight off your shoulders and replacing it with peace. You are stepping into a time where my grace will overflow in your life. What was once difficult will become easy. What was once blocked will now open. What was once uncertain will be made clear. You are on the brink of a divine shift. Type Amen if you receive this word. I am the God who sees you. I know the pain you hide behind your smile. The disappointments, the betrayals, the losses, none of them have escaped my attention. I am turning your sorrow into joy and your tears into a testimony. Your weeping may endure for a night, but joy is coming in the morning. What the enemy meant for harm, I will use for your good. Prepare for a turnaround so great that even those who doubted you will see my favor upon your life. Type 777. If you believe your breakthrough is near, I have heard your prayers and I have seen your faith. Even in the midst of trials, you did not give up. Because you remained faithful, I am about to bless you in ways you never imagined. Unexpected doors will open, divine connections will be made, and opportunities that seemed impossible will manifest before your eyes. Keep trusting, keep believing, and keep walking in faith. The best is yet to come. Type, receive it if you believe in my promise. Your waiting season was not in vain. Every delay had a purpose. I was preparing you for something greater than what you asked for. I am bringing you into a place where blessings will chase you down. You won't have to force things to happen. I will align everything in divine order. No more striving, no more struggling. Simply walk in obedience, and I will do the rest. Type 333 if you trust my perfect timing. The people who underestimated you, the ones who overlooked you, and those who walked away, do not hold resentment in your heart. They were not meant to. Go where I am taking you. I am positioning you for greater, and with that comes separation. Do not be afraid to let go of what no longer serves you. What I have in store is far greater than what you left behind. Type, claim it. If you are ready for new beginnings, I am healing you from the inside out. Not just your body, but your mind, your heart, and your spirit. The wounds of the past will no longer hold you back. I am renewing your strength, restoring your energy, and refreshing your soul. Where there was pain, there will be peace. Where there was sorrow, there will be joy. Where there was loss, there will be restoration. Type 555 if you are ready for total healing. This is your season of favor. The doors that were once shut are now swinging open. You will step into opportunities that others thought were out of your reach. What once seemed impossible will become reality because I am making a way where there was no way. Your name will be spoken in places you have never been. I am aligning the right people, resources, and situations to bring your dreams to life. Type 222 if you believe your time is now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel.